Good morning, my first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, as always, I want you to use your fantastic prediction skills and predict what will be on our calendar card for today. And remember, we are in a brand new month, so I want you to use your noggin and look for very closely. Look at these cards and look for a pattern. We've seen bears. We've seen doggies. We've seen little bitty mice over here. They're saying nibble, nibble. What could be on this card for today? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a sandwich? And look at it. It looks like it's some fractions on that sandwich. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. We see that the sandwich is cut into fourths. Fourths are when something is divided into four equal parts. We can call this a quarter as well. So look here at my fraction card and you can see we have the circle in four equal parts. There's 1/4 of it is colored gray. We see that the four circles are circled and 1/4 of them is colored black. We see that the long, what is this, rectangle is broken into four equal parts, and we see that a part of it, 1/4 of it, is colored gray. And we also see in this rectangle that there are four equal parts, and 1/4 of it is colored gray. So our calendar card today is divided into fourths, four equal parts. Now let's go ahead and say our date for today. And you know we always start our saying our date with the day of the week. So today is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020. Let's say that together one more time. Today is Wednesday, November the 11th, 2020. Now let's go ahead and say our days of the week, and we always start at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And today we know from our calendar is Wednesday. So now use your first grading skills and read these words with me. Yesterday was. Yesterday was Tuesday. Great job, first graders. Now let's go ahead and use those same skills to read these words. And it says, tomorrow will be. Great job. What will tomorrow be? Thursday. This week is flying by. Okay, let's keep going. So let's say our months of the year, and we always start with the very first month of the year, and that is January. Let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And we see that November is the 11th month of the year. Now we're going to go ahead and Miss Kyler is going to write our date, and you know we can write it two different ways. The first way is with the month of the year, and it is the 11th month of the year, and our date is the 11th. And our year is 2020, but you know me too well by now, and you know I never write all four digits when I'm writing my numbers. I always write the last two digits when I'm writing my date with only the numbers, and that's a 2 and a 0. Now I'm going to write the abbreviation for November and bring down that date. It is the 11th day of November. And now I write all four digits for my year. Don't forget that comma. All four digits. Now let's keep it moving. So now we see that this is my favorite part, because how many days have we been learning together? We see that there are four whole columns filled up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know each column is a group of 10. And today is a brand new day, so we need to add one more square. So we know that 4 groups of 10 is 40, and we're going to count on 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. We have been learning together 48 days already. Man! Now, first graders, let's go ahead. As usual, Miss Kyler is going to write the number 48, and then I'm going to write the word 48. So here is our number 48. That's how we write the number, and here's how we spell 48. And we know with this 2-digit number, we have a 4 in the tens place, and we have a 8 in the ones place. So 4 tens makes the number 40, and I'm going to keep going with my fact families. 4 tens makes 40. There's my 40 right there. And we have 8 lonely ones. They're not a group of 10 yet, so put my 8 there. 40 plus 8 makes 48. And remember, with my fact families, I'm just switching the order. So I'm going to move that 8 to the front and that 40 to the back. 8 plus 40 still makes 48. And now my subtraction, my all together is 48. And I'm going to go ahead and take away 8. And that's going to equal 40. Good job. So now I'm going to just switch that 40 and that 8. Bring down my 48. Bring that 40 over here and move my 8 right there. So I have 47. Take away 40 equals 8. Now, so my first graders, you know that this month we have been collecting the hours in the day. So on yesterday, we were at 1 o'clock. Today is a brand new day, and we're going to move 1 whole hour around our clock. Once my minute hand has made it all the way around the clock, we see that today is 2 o'clock. My minute hand is pointing to the 12. That means o'clock. And my hour hand is pointing to the 2. So it is 2 o'clock. Now, Miss Kyler is going to go ahead and write that on my clock, my digital clock. 2 o'clock. That is how we'll write it. Now, my first graders, Miss Kyler is going to go ahead and color in this part of our clock because we're all done with the 1 o'clock hour. We are all done. All of this time would be 1 o'clock, and we are all done with the 1 o'clock hour. So now we are in the 2 o'clock time. We're all done with the 1 o'clock time because our minute hand moved around the whole clock. So now we're in the 2 o'clock time. So go ahead, take a look over here at my analog clock. We see once again the minute hand. The minute hand is pointing to the 12 at the top, and the hour hand, the little hand, is pointing to the 2. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our digital clock. It is 2 o'clock. Now, we have collected 1 hour yesterday, and today's a brand new day, so we need to collect another hour. So we have collected 2 hours in our day. My first graders, our time is all done with this video. So now I want for you to go ahead and go to your class kick assignment and finish up all of your work in your Google Classroom. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.